Guys, hope you're doing good. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find the right product for you, and what is the right product. There is no competition and it's worthy for you, and you can build the construction of your shop, and you can have really good income for your futures, and also revenue for from your shop. It's all about income, and it's all about how you work in your shop, and what is the right way to do it. Okay, so let's go, and let's show you how you can find the product. There is a lot of people, they waste the time just to find the product have small, really small profit, like SVG, like the products. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you the product that I'm talking about it, and let's find out. So there is a product. It's not like it's not worthy, and at the same time there is no value. So the platform, the ONC, it's all about the value of the product, and also how you work in this product, and what is the right marketing to do with your products. Because there is a lot of people, they waste the time like just to list in a lot of products, just to find what is the easy way to make it new product, and they didn't know about the marketing, the SEO, how you can build your shop, what is the right product to create it, what is the right roadmap to build your shop, and to have consistent sales. It's all about the sales. It's all about how you market your products. So I'm gonna show you how you can find the good products, and the high profit of the products. As you can see, we go to search like about the digital products download in general. Like we search in the bar like digital download in general. So we can put here. I just want to start from the beginning. So we will say like there is a lot of product here, like 132 euro, and because I put it, no, I will put it here like without any filter. So I'm gonna show you how you can filter the right way to find the good products for you, and there is no competition as well. So the filters of the products, we're gonna show you like the best Etsy. So the start Etsy, first of all, put the start seller on Etsy, like to see more about what you can find, and also to learn from the other sellers. This is the most important things on Etsy, to have like to use their to use them experiences, okay, and to use them the data, and also what is the right product they work for them, and what is the source of the traffic, which when where it come from, this like the traffic of the shop. So, and also also if there is any mistake we should to avoid. So we learn from others all the time, like all the time. Try to make it easier, and try to make it like learn from the other mistakes. So this is the most important things, like in general in the life. So it's not just in Etsy, but it's all about the learn from others, as I do. Like I'm learning from my mentor, and also share with you this knowledge, and also I share with you my experience, like over 7 years on Etsy, like working on Etsy, and also working in different platform at the same time, like have different income from different places. So but at the same time, in this channel I'm gonna like show you how you can work on Etsy platform, because it's worthy, and but at the same time it's like it's really good income to start from it, you know what I mean. So here, as you can see, there is a lot of sellers. buy for the, like they sell all of these products like wall art, and all of, like most of them, they are really creative to do it, like some artists like this, and the vintage product antique white art like this. And yeah, I remember the first time when I started on Etsy, I was selling just wall art because I'm really interested about wall art, and like I'm a huge fan on the wall art. So that's what I was starting to sell the wall art vintage, because first of all, I know where can I find to like resell the products on Etsy, but at the same time, I'm a huge fan of this kind of art. So that's why. But for you, I don't want you to waste the time and destroy your energy. That's what I'm sharing with you, these experiences. So first of all, as I said, like we will go here like in the categories. As you can see, all categories is here: arts and collectibles and prints, like prints, digital prints hits here. Like there is special offer, like free shipping, but most of the digital products is, all of them, it's free shipping too. So but there is few products, like if you want to avoid it or suspend it, or if you want to avoid it, like the cross the policy of the Etsy. So you can like put it the product as a physical product, not a digital product. But if you selling something really like digital download, just put it's digital products. Okay, don't lie, don't try to cross the policy of Etsy, because you will hurt yourself, like by suspended or something like this, you know what I mean. So just try to be sure for your product, and which kind of products you want to sell on Etsy. So the second thing, we can go like this. Yeah, this is the first one, start seller. But the second one is, we can go to the price. The price, we will start from like from my experience, all the time like try to find something starts from 10 euro till, I mean, I never put it something like which price or maximum the price. So all the time put it just the beginning of the price. So as you say here, this is the products of this one. Like we can go to check this one, the first one on Etsy. Like there is people like low in stock, only 7 left. Imagine, like this is the every story bring us together. So it's all about it's really mind blowing. Like it's all about it's all about how you market your products, but at the same time it's all about how you present your products, how you listen your products, how you design your thumbnail of your listing. Because if you listen the right thumbnail, like for now, like the last updated on Etsy, there is the maximum of the thumbnail you should to list your store. It's 20 thumbnail, yes, and 2 video. This is the last update as I share with you. Okay, so if you want, you can do it. And it's all about marketing as well. It's all about how you promoted your products. And of course, as you can see, the custom book illustration, there is the custom, there is, but who will see is this digital product. Yeah, as you see, this is the digital product. Let's check this shop, and let's find out. Okay, this is the over 5 years on Etsy, and all of the listing, it's 1116 listing. So as you can see, it's a lot of work. It's really a lot of work. This is like, shout out to the lot of people. They want to make it easier, and they want to put something easy. There is no easy, there is no shortcut. Okay, please take it really seriously and put it the effort, and also try to find out the right way, as I share with you like from my experience. But as you see here, there is a lot of listing, and it's over it's over 100, 162, 163, like there is all of them. It's book, like custom book illustration. So what it mean, the what it mean, I'm gonna explain over. So here, like the children book illustration for here for hire, custom book illustration, hand drawing, watercolor illustration, commercial use, etc. So this is one. It's like they send to you the custom of the pictures, or they send you pictures what they need, what they want, what's like for their children, for their life, for everything like this. You know what I mean? So this is the topic of this lesson of the book. Okay, this is digital products, and here like right is if confirm the message me. So the first of all, you should to send her, because this is its woman. So you should to send woman or man, I don't know exactly, because there is a lot of people they didn't put the right name of like the personal name or something, so they put it just random name. So never mind. Here we have like digital download, and here personalized. You should to send her a message to create the custom book for you or for the client. But I mean, this is explained for if someone need to buy this product, but for you as a seller, you can create the product by AI. If you would like to know more about how you can do it, I can share with you the next video. Just like put a comment here and share with me your comment and tell me what I want to see in the next video, and what I want to learn from this channel. And also I would like to share a lot of things from my experience, and this is the right channel to learn more about the Etsy and what is the right product you should to buy or to sell on Etsy as a seller, as a someone need income from the platform Etsy, and someone need to build her career, or he want to think about the source, like different source of income. This is the video, and this is Khalid have over €7 over and Khalid have over 7 years of experience of the platform Etsy, and I'm gonna like share with you a lot of things, and what I was learned from my experience, and also on the platform Etsy, because I'm not just working on Etsy, I'm working in different platform, and at the same time I have few business in different industry. So that's what I will share with you as well. And don't forget to put it thumbs up, and share this video, and share with me your feedback, and see you